How to cancel an Amazon order. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your Amazon app. You can cancel an Amazon order that has already been shipped straight from your mobile device. Open your Amazon app to get started. After that, visit the Your Orders section of the app. Tap the profile icon on the bottom of your screen represented by an image of a person. Then tap Your Orders at the top of your screen. Now select the item you want to cancel. The Your Orders screen offers a list of all your Amazon orders, both pending and delivered. Choose the order that you want to cancel, in this case, one that has already been shipped, and click on it. Now tap Request Cancellation. If your order has already been dispatched, you cannot automatically cancel it. Instead, you must request the cancellation. Then choose a cancellation reason from the drop down menu. Now confirm your request for cancellation. Once you have chosen a reason for cancellation, you can click the big yellow request cancellation button beneath it. So that is it, and wait for a refund. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.